1, 2, 3. This is to witness that on the 28th day of May 2024, Tel Aviv University inaugurated the Wynn-Weinzweig family Atrium at the Roman Abramovich Building for Nano-Quantum Science and Technology, in the presence of the Wynn and Weinzwieg family and their representative, the next generation, thereby establishing a stunning facility that serves as the first point of entry for all visitors of the building, providing an esteemed venue for a range of events, exhibitions, and poster presentations, and linking the Wynn and Weinzwieg family name with the scientific excellence, national contribution, and global impact of Tel Aviv University in nanoscience and nanotechnologies.